Nutrition in your 30s. In your 30s, signs of an unhealthy lifestyle is visible, such as diabetes or hypertension. Dropping 10% of weight can reduce the risk of such diseases. Key nutrients you need. Folate. It's critical for supporting a healthy pregnancy, preventing neural tube defects and helps in generation of new body cells. Folate can also help reduce the risk of heart disease. Eat foods such as chickpeas, asparagus, spinach, broccoli, avocados, orange juice, and fortified whole grains to help meet your daily 400 microgram requirement. Phytonutrients. These compounds contain antioxidants that slow the aging process, prevent heart disease and changes in DNA, potentially preventing the development of cancer. Found abundantly in dark chocolate, red wine, and coffee. Iron. Low quantities in diet lead to feeling physically drained and mental exhaustion. Get your daily dose of 18 mg from foods such as clams, lean beef, fortified breakfast cereal, soybeans, pumpkin seeds, and skinless poultry. The Age Diet Chart for your 30s. Mediterranean tuna salad. Toss 3 ounces light tuna with 1 chopped tomato, half diced cucumber, 1 cup white beans, and 2 tablespoons Italian dressing. Almond butter and pear sandwich. Spread 2 slices whole wheat bread with 1 tablespoon almond butter. Top with half small sliced pear and 1 teaspoon honey. Enjoy with a glass of non-fat milk. Tex-Mex turkey wrap. In a medium whole wheat tortilla, fold 3 ounces sliced turkey breast, 1/4 sliced avocado, 1/4 cup low-fat shredded cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons salsa. Ham and brie sandwich. Spread 1 tablespoon honey mustard on 2 pieces pumpernickel bread. Top with 2 ounces ham, 1 ounce brie, lettuce, and tomato. Smoked salmon bagel. Spread 1 tablespoon whipped cream cheese on a whole wheat bagel. Top with 2 ounces smoked salmon, sliced red onion, and 2 teaspoons capers. Your 30-something healthy meal plan. Breakfast, whole wheat English muffin topped with 2 tablespoons natural peanut butter and half small sliced banana, and 1 cup calcium and vitamin D fortified orange juice. Morning snack, half cup Cheerios with half cup 1% or non-fat milk. Lunch, curried shrimp salad, boil 10 shrimp and mix with 1 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon curry powder, in a whole wheat pita, and 1 cup watermelon chunks. Afternoon snack, 6-ounce container light yogurt with half cup raspberries. Dinner, chickpea salad, toss half cup canned, drained chickpeas with 1 tablespoon Italian dressing, 4 ounces lean flank steak, grilled or broiled, topped with 2 tablespoons teriyaki sauce, 2 cups baby spinach sautéed in 1 teaspoon olive oil, and 1 medium baked sweet potato. Evening treat, 1 ounce dark chocolate. Nutrition info for the day. 1,868 calories. 94 grams protein. 64 grams fat, 17 grams sat. 243 grams carbs. 34 grams fiber.